We have wonderful nurses and front desk personnel who the patient will come in and they will get checked in, and then you'll be placed in a room. I will have reviewed the cases, or my other faculty colleagues will also review it with a resident typically. Then we go in and I meet you. I have a pretty good sense of what the problem is, then perform an exam, a neurologic exam. That exam plus the imaging finding is all put together and we have a game plan. Typically the patient will be sitting there and there'll be anywhere from 1 or 2 family members to sometimes 8. And I introduce myself to all the family members. I want to find out who's who. And then it's question time. And we got plenty of time to answer questions, because when you leave that appointment, we want you to make sure that you completely understand what we talked about and what the game plan is. It's really at the academic medical center where you see this level of expertise. We have an outstanding residency program. A resident is with us for 7 years learning these skills, and they are part of the team. They're helping, they're learning, and they're gradually getting increasing responsibility. Without doubt, it adds the quality of the team. It's a vibrant environment where everyone is trying to think of new things and come up with new things, but in the same time, you have all these surgeons that are holding each other accountable for practicing at the very highest standards. We have conferences almost every day where we review cases, and we want to be very, very sharp as we diagnose different disorders and try to help our patients with these surgical interventions. If it was your family member, what would you do? I've had 4 relatives who've had surgery here. We could have an option to send them anywhere, but I want these patients and I want my family members to be here because this is the best care possible. So the thing I want to emphasize the most is that when you come to the neurosurgery program, you are in very good hands. We take care of patients with very serious problems all the time. This is where you're going to be in the most capable hands to have your problem solved.